If I could be anybody, I would be you. Keep my emotions in a box like you do.